Are you trying to open your website and your website stuck on site cannot be reached error? In this video, I will not give you only one solution. I will give you multiple solutions which help you fix your site not secure issue in just minutes. Let's move to the video. So first of all, before we go into video, the first you have to test your internet connection. The ISP provider always recommend if you face any issue, just to try to disconnect your modem from the socket and try to reconnect after 2 or 3 minutes and check your modem cables. And second, you have to try out a different browser. If same website opening in different browser, that means your browser has any cache issue, which I will show you later on how to clear cache, how to check DNS and clear the DNS to reset. So you have to test the browser if your website is working or on other browser, or try to open into the private tab. If I go to browser, I have option here, open in private tab or private window. So you have to check out if your website is opening in the private tab. If not, then we will move to further settings. And the number second, you have to open your browser setting. If you're using Chrome or Google, Microsoft, you have to go to setting and look for privacy and security setting. After that, you have to click on delete browsing data. Make sure you have checked cookies and other site data, cache image file, browsing history, all mandatory. Then you have to click delete data or clear cache. After that, you have to also try to flush your DNS. Let me show you how you can flush your DNS. To flush your DNS, you have to enter the exact command into your Chrome browser, Chrome net internal dash DNS. So you have to run it and new window will be open here. So you have to click on clear host cache. So you have to click on clear host cache. It will clear your host cache for you. After that, you have to check if your website is working now. If not, let's move to another fix. Because my aim to give you possible solution which you can easily fix your internet. That's why I'm giving you the different tips you can try out. That's why I'm here. I will do my best to provide you every possible solution to fix this issue. Let's move to next fix. Next, we will flush Windows DNS cache. For that, we will go to our computer and type cmd. So when you type cmd command in your computer and open as administrator, click yes. And now we will run one command here. I will give on the screen ip config space / flush DNS. So now you can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So now you must try if your site is start working. If not, let's move to next fix. Next, we will search for control panel on our computer. Let's click on control panel and let's click on network and internet. Now let's click on network and sharing center. Now let's click on change adapter setting. Now you have to check which internet or Ethernet is connected. So I will go to on my internet, right click, and I will click on properties. So let me left click here, right click, and click on properties. On the properties, another window will be open. Let me zoom it a little bit. So you have to check for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on properties. So after another window open, we have to look for option use the following DNS address here. Let's type this IP address 8 and next 888. and down alternative DNS server should be 8844, and you have to click on OK. That's all. Now you should try to restart your computer after you complete this process if your internet or website start working. So let's move to another fix if your site is not working yet. So let's move to next fix. In the next fix, we will search in the computer network and internet setting. So you can search on your computer. If you're using Windows, you have to look for network and internet. Click on it. Click on proxy and make sure your proxy is disabled. If you're using any manual proxy, sometime proxy create issue. Your site cannot be reached. You have to disable any proxy. If you're using manual proxy, you have to disable the proxy and try to check if your website is now responding. If not, I will give you one more tip how you can fix it. Now let's talk about if you are owner of that particular website. Try out to visit other website like google.com, other website. If those websites are responding, then there probably there is an issue in the website hosting or backend. If you're owner of that particular website, you have to try out to clear cache from your hosting side or from your BPS server side. After you clear cache, your website should respond. If you have still any issue, you can let me know in the comments if this issue has been fixed and your problem has been solved. The next fix, we can check for DNS in the browser. The browser you're using, you have to go to setting, and example, I'm using Chrome. Click on privacy and security. Let's click on security option. After visit in the security, scroll down, you will see option use secured DNS setting. Just enable it. If it's a disable, enable it. And you have option select DNS provider. You have some option to choose Google, Cloudflare, OpenDNS, or try to switch back to OS default. If you already done setting DNS setting in the computer, so you can set to OS default. Otherwise, if you skip the DNS change in the computer, you can try to change from your browser by switching to Cloudflare or Google. After that, try to refresh your site if your site start working now. And for the protection, safe browsing, try to change to standard protection one time if your website are working, and then you can switch back to enhanced protection. Sometimes website does not have the security like SSL certificate, then those website refuse to connect with the browser. So if always use HTTP secure connection is enabled, try to disable it for a while and you will able to check if your website start working. Subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.